What is up, guys? I got one of the cleanest cars I've had in a while. 1965 Malibu SS. This thing is in mint condition. Basically looks like the day it left the showroom. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got a 283 V8. It's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's matching numbers, original motor, original transmission. It has been professionally restored in 2010. Absolutely gorgeous. You can actually eat off of this engine. This car was done right. I don't think you're gonna find a nicer one, to be honest with you. This is Barrett Jackson quality. Got the Kragers on it. Take a look at this interior. Headliner's in good shape. Seats are in perfect shape. I mean, this is just a perfect car. Got a folder full of the restoration when it was done. It was frame off restored from 99 to 2010. Look at that. It's got awards that come with the car. Got a couple flaws on it, which I will show you. Not many on this one. We want to make sure you know what you're getting before you receive it. If we are shipping it to you, you got one little baby chip there. And on the hood, you got two baby little chips. And I'll show that to you. Right there. Got two spots. And those are the flaws of the whole car. Doesn't have any other flaws. It's mechanically sound. It purrs just like a kitten. Up for sale now. Give us a call, 215-801-9493. Take a look at that undercarriage. worldwide. Showing 5,206 miles on it. Everything works the way it should. Radio turns on. It does work if you tune to the right channel. The heat works in it. This thing is gorgeous. All the gears shift great. Let's go for a test drive. Alright guys, we are in the 65 Malibu SS. We are going on a test drive. This thing is immaculate. Let's see if it drives the same way. This thing gets up and boogies. Got a little traffic up here so we can't go too fast. But as you heard it, this is 283. It's got some cojones on it. It handles good, it drives good. Hopefully we can get it up to speed and get it up to 60, 70. We got good oil pressure right in the middle. All the gauges are working perfectly. Noise, the suspension's not clunking, it's just handling perfect. Look at the steering wheel real quick. Hands are off, it's driving straight. This is the way a classic car is supposed to drive. Do a quick turnaround right here. You get a lot of smiles in this car. People are happy about this car. Yeah guys, if you're interested, go on our website, getallcars.com, or give us a call, 215-801-9493. We'll be able to ship it worldwide and all over the US.